A foundational aspect of your brand is your mission statement, which is what we'll focus on in this course. There are very few communication tools that can be more readily available and more influential than when you state your mission. In this training, we're going to walk through the creation of your nonprofit's mission statement. We'll also consider all the aspects of updating and ongoing maintenance of your mission statement. Because when your organization accomplishes your mission, it's a great reason to celebrate. So if it exists, grab your current mission statement so you have it in front of you. If you haven't created it yet, we'll give you the tools you need to get started. One of the best excuses we've heard from a team member or a client is that they didn't know they didn't know. And when it comes to mission statements, we hear this a lot. So when we ask an organization to state their mission, the most general response is, "What do you mean exactly?" It's like mounting a horse without a destination in mind. What we want you to know is there's probably nothing more impactful than when you share your mission with confidence. That's why everybody knows, for the most part, that a soldier knows exactly what their mission is, right down to the letter. Everybody's on the same page. The troops are responding to the orders and making sure that they're going to accomplish or work out their mission exactly the same way as the rest of the recruits. Continuity is one of the biggest advantages of a mission. And staying on mission ensures leadership, your full team, your donors, all those audiences that you serve clearly understand what it is that your organization and ministry have been called to and what your actual mission is. Keeping that in mind, that's what we're going to help you accomplish in this course. What we have found is that mission statements are often kind of dusty. They're left on a shelf far too long, people forget about them, or oftentimes they aren't even aware that there is an actual mission statement that's part of the organization. All nonprofit organizations have to have a mission statement. If you're forming a brand new nonprofit organization, you'll need to put your mission statement in the application that you're going to be using with the IRS to obtain your 501c3 status. If you're not a new nonprofit, somewhere along the lines, someone put a mission statement into writing enough to be able to submit your application. But for most organizations, it exists somewhere. If you don't know where it is, it might be in your human resource manual. It might be on your wall. Oftentimes, we'll walk into an organization or a ministry and literally their mission is on a plaque or in some type of formal signage, framed perhaps, and on the wall. So if you don't have it handy, put this course on hold and go grab it because you're going to need to be able to look at it and see where you are and where you're going to be in the future. And be prepared that it's not uncommon for your original mission to have experienced some mission drift over the years. Often it's a healthy part of the growing process. Other times it indicates you need to dust it off and take care of it. Mission requires regular attention. That means that you've really got to have documented, scheduled annual reviews of where you are as it relates to your mission statement. What does it say and what are you doing? As we mentioned, your mission is going to change over time. The healthy reason that it changes over time is that you as an organization will begin to mature. God willing, become more successful. More opportunities will be presented to you just over time if you're staying on mission. As an example, we're using a photo here of a water ministry, which many of you have probably seen. There's a lot of organizations that'll go and drill wells or put water processing equipment into majority world countries where their water isn't any good. But over the course of time, they can start taking on more and different services that not only help build the well, but now bottles the water and provides it to other people. These type of service or product changes would generally need to be reflected in their mission statement.